Hello, I'm Lorena Schmidt from the company VITO, and today I will show you how to use the VITO oil filter system in a profitable way. VITO is placed directly in the deep fryer and filters your frying oil. Your benefits: save up to 50% of your frying oil, achieve a better product quality and less work around the deep fryer. The VITO set comes in a box which contains the short instruction, the user manual, 10 free filters to start with, the filter pump unit, the electrical unit and the drip tray. Ensure that the oil level in the deep fryer is between the minimum-maximum mark. After service, VITO can be used in hot oil. The patented microfiltration only takes 4.5 minutes and the oil can be used immediately after. From snack bars, catering businesses, bakeries, hotels, QSR concepts, to casual and fine dining, VITO is used successfully. When the filtration power decreases and the oil flow in the front stops, it is time to change the filter paper once the VITO cooled down. VITO is made of stainless steel and therefore dishwasher safe. The compact design makes it possible to fit into every dishwasher. With its microfiltration, your VITO oil filter is the optimal filter solution for deep fries without filtration and the perfect addition for deep fries with built-in filtration. Contact us for a quote or further information.